tree.
Gotta hang it on the tree like this. Where you want to put this one? Right here? Where are you gonna put yours? Put yours right here.
Go ahead.
Put that one right here.
Go put it on the tree.
Yeah, put that one right here. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Come on. Put it right here. Go ahead. I'll help you. Right here. Oh. Right here. Good job.
Good boy.
Oh, take it back off. Ball. They hang on the tree like that. Good job. And there's one right there, and there's one right here.
What'd you do that for?
Go show mommy.
Come here.
Good job. Show mommy the ball.
Raiden, come here.
Show it to mommy. Show
Raiden.
mommy. What is that? What is that?
Is that a ball?
What is that? What is that? What's this? What's this?
Come here, come get it.
Go see mommy.
Come get it. Come here.
Go ahead.
Good job.
Throw me the ball. Ball? Bring it to mommy.
Give me the ball. Good throw. If you want, come get it. There you go. Throw it to Daddy.
Let's see the ball. Good throw. Put it on the tree. Look, put it back on the tree.
Real expensive ornaments.
Right here.
Indestructible. Why are you crawling? You know how to walk. Did it hurt you?
I like your mohawk. Let's see. Out here.
Hey, Pumpkin.